Today I'm going to show you how to customize your header navigation menu on a WordPress website using the Astra theme. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to create a clean, well-organized menu, but you'll also understand how to give it your own style, colors, fonts, advanced layouts, even things like sticky headers and mobile menus. Let's dive in. First up, we need to structure your menu links, since getting the foundation right will make styling so much easier later on. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and find Appearance, then choose Menus. This is where all your navigation magic begins. If you don't have a menu yet, just create a new one, give it a name that makes sense, like Main Menu or Navigation. Now go ahead and add the pages you want included. Think about how you want visitors to find their way around: home, about, services, contact, or whatever fits your site. You can drag and drop menu items to rearrange the order, which helps prioritize what people see first. And if you want dropdowns for things like subservices or portfolio categories, simple. Just drag the child item slightly to the right underneath its parent. WordPress will automatically nest it, making your dropdown. Before you leave this screen, make sure to set your menu location. Choose Primary Menu so it appears in your site's header and hit Save Menu. Don't worry if any of this feels a little fiddly. After a few tweaks, the order and dropdowns start to make real sense. Next, let's organize your menu placement using Astra's Header Builder. This is where you turn that basic menu structure into a navigation tool that fits your brand and layout style. Go to Appearance, then Customize and open Header Builder. At the bottom, you'll see a visual grid representing your header rows and columns. Find the primary menu element and simply drag it into your chosen zone. Maybe you want it left aligned for a classic look, centered for balance, or over on the right for a modern vibe. It's all visual and intuitive. If you want to add extra header features, click the plus icon. You could drop in a secondary menu, pop in some social media icons, or add a search bar right beside your navigation. Nice touches that make your menu more useful and engaging. Now let's get into the fun part, customizing the look and feel of your menu. Still in Header Builder, click your primary menu element. In the General tab, you can set the animation for dropdowns. Slide makes them swoosh in, fade is smoother and more subtle. You can also add dividers between items, which helps with clarity, especially if you have a lot of links. Jump over to the Design tab to personalize colors. You're able to set text and background colors for 3 states: normal, hover, and active. For example, maybe your links are dark gray normally, turn blue when someone hovers, and show green to highlight the page you're on. All little touches to guide visitors. Typography matters too, so tap the pencil icon by menu font to pick your favorite font family, adjust the size, make it bold, or add a bit of style with underlines or letter spacing. Don't skip the spacing controls. Fine-tuning padding between menu items can be the difference between a crowded navigation bar and a sleek, easy-to-use menu. Ready to take things to the next level with advanced features? Astra has you covered. You can enable a transparent header right from the Header Builder. Your menu will float over your homepage image or banner, adding a modern, open feel. If you have Astra Pro, try the sticky header. It keeps your navigation visible as visitors scroll, which is great for long pages or blogs. For sites with lots of options, the Mega Menu module in Astra Pro lets you create dropdowns with columns, images, or even icons, perfect for e-commerce or portfolio sites. And don't forget about mobile. Click the mobile icon in the customizer and you can set up a clean hamburger menu just for small screens. Test it by resizing your browser or checking on a phone. You want navigation that's easy everywhere. And there you have it. Customizing your header navigation in WordPress with Astra is all about understanding your menu's structure, making smart placement choices, and styling things to reflect your brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, leave a comment down below with any questions, and subscribe for more guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy building.